All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we're taking out the S650 for some fun, man. We're gonna be driving a slow car fast. Now, honestly, I have not made a video with the S650 Mustang in a very, very long time, but I have been driving it. It is my daily driver. I almost have 5,000 miles on this car in a very short period of time. Gonna change the oil in about 300 miles or so, because I have to do it like every 3,000 miles on the S650. It's stock, still has the warranty, but again, I still have to change my oil every 3,000 miles. For the Shelby GT350, I do change it every 2,000 miles or so. So, with all being said, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Let's get into it. All right, let's get this cold start. Driving this car hard is fun because it's got the stock wheels on it, so it spins, you know, stock power, so it's controllable. 3, 2, 1. Do I even have gas in this car? I think I do. Oh yeah, I got 127, that's plenty. Let's go. All right. This car is a blast, man. These S650s, they're super, super fun. I know a lot of people like to say things about them, but I think they're great cars, man, for real. We got a little bit of a tight squeeze. She's a little dirty. Shelby is too. I gotta wash this car today because there's a meet tomorrow, but these things are so fun to drive, man. Like, this thing is full weight still. I still got the spare tire in the back. Crazy. You better go out and have some fun, man. Not too much fun, because I still need these tires to last a little bit longer before I put these on or the drag pack on first. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna put on first. It's gonna depend on the timing of everything. Because if tuning's available, whew, well, the drag pack definitely gonna go on first, because I've been feeling this car is gonna need it, because these are a little spunky, I ain't gonna lie. For a stock car, these are a little spunky. Roll this out the garage. Alrighty. Alright, we are on the road, man, in the good old S650. Super fun to drive. I don't even have the valves opened up yet. Oh, damn, look at that. We got a C706 right there. Let me get over. Man, if he's going the same way I'm going, I should have took the Shelby out. That would have been interesting. He's straight blasting that music though. It's like this guy tries to race. Wouldn't that be something? Oh no. He's not trying to go the same way I am. Go ahead and switch to the fun mode, the drag mode. You gotta be in drag strip mode, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a minute since I've banged gears in this car. I gotta turn off advanced track too. There we go. We got a Scatpack pulling up. Oh my god. Please. Please. Oh my god, I'm begging. Please do it. get over here. Please, 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 please. I'm gonna do the shit that they do. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Are you shitting me? No way! Come on! Whoever this guy is. Hell yeah. I tried. He's like, fuck that. Hey, you cool though. Oh my God. That was great. Dude, I tried so hard, y'all. I tried. It was perfect. We had plenty of time to go. Plenty of space. Dude, I have yet to run a Scatpack in this car though. Like, I probably would have lost legitimately. Alright, so that was pretty cool. That guy was cool too. He was down trying to race this Mustang. I don't know why, it's stock. But it's funny because I'm telling y'all this. People think this is the Dark Horse. I don't know why. I guess maybe due to the color, because it's the second time. Technically this would be the third time that somebody has, like, I guess thought different of the Mustang, because it's a darker color, but it's not black. And because the Dark Horse Mustang, I mean, the real difference really, I guess to like a non-Mustang person, is like the wing and the front lip. Obviously we know there's a lot more to a Dark Horse, but from somebody who's not really like a Mustang person, I guess like these dark matter gray S650s, the 5.0s, I guess they might come off as Dark Horses. I don't know. I have no idea, but it's really funny how some people act when they see this car. Man, I cannot wait till it's boosted. It's gonna be hilarious. They're gonna think this is a GT 500 or something like that, but like, it's hilarious, man. I need to test out a Scatpack. I don't know like if this thing will be the Scatpack. I literally don't know. It might, I don't know. If it was a 10-speed, yeah, but I don't know. I don't know. A little hit. Oh. Dang, I kind of hit like a soft limiter right there. I know I didn't hit the limiter.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm gonna do like a little hit, y'all. No. Maybe I hit the limiter. I don't know. I might have hit the limiter on accident. I think I hit the limiter on accident. It's been a minute since I've done a hit. You can probably tell my shifting is not that quick, but hey, it is what it is. I might go do a little dig real quick actually, just to go just to brush the tires off a little bit, brush the cobwebs off the tires. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I was gonna do a little hit, some dig action, but I think the spot might be popped. There's like a lot of cars coming now, and you know, there's a lot of people just parked up, which Look, I'm not the one that burned it. You know what I'm saying? I only hit this like once every 2 weeks. But yeah. We are not going to mess with that, let me tell you. Smooth as butter, man. Smooth as butter. This car, these S650s, they, man. They are some damn good cars for real. They are smooth, ladies and gentlemen, smooth. Very impressed with this MT82. Could be because there's like no miles on it, but and there's not really like that much abuse, because I don't really be going out like doing hits in this car. This is like the first time I'm actually like doing hits in this car in like over a month, but it is smooth as butter for real. Oh, brakes aren't as good, but that could be easily upgraded in all reality. Front brakes will fix that right up. And because it's, you know, getting cooler outside, the old temp's not getting like insane, which is nice. It goes right back down. So technically I really could start taking this car out, you know, and having some fun, because it's not like super cold. Oh, we got a vert, I think it's a Gen 2, Gen 3, I'm not sure, I can't really tell. Eco Boost. It's a Gen 3. This is probably the longest car that I've kept stock, but kind of need to, because it is the daily. It would not be smart to go ahead and start, you know, modding this up crazy right now. I'm probably gonna get like a $1,000 shit box when I start turning this car into like the Mexico car. Get like some Honda Civic. I've done it before, and they're out there. People say, "Oh, you can't buy nothing for $1,000." Yes, you can. You just don't really want to. You just don't really want to treat it like something you're gonna keep for long. You know, buy it for $1,000, run it for like a year, And when the maintenance repairs cost more than what you bought it for, just literally sell it for half price and get another one. Because you best believe that's what the previous owner did. So just keep cycling through. I bought a truck for like, I think it was like maybe 1,700 bucks when I first moved to Texas. I literally drove it until quite literally the wheels were about to fall off and got rid of it. Literally. Because that maintenance repair was gonna be like 2 bands. I was like, no. Sold that thing in like literally a day. Just listed it for sale and sold it in a day for $1,000. I got my money's worth out of that because I transported so much car parts that I would have had to like either pay somebody to help me transport, or would have took like 2-3 trips. I mean, that thing was, you know, decent on gas. Little Chevy, what was it? I don't remember what it was. It's like a little Chevy Tahoe, not really little, huge, but like a Chevy Tahoe, bro. I was putting gas in it like once a month. It was running on fumes, literally. Never changed the oil, just jumped in it, just drove it. I neglected it like crazy. I washed it the first day I bought it, and that was it. Sat for like a year, just like that. Got reared it at my apartment complex. Didn't care. I was like, oh well. Somebody tried to steal the cats off of it. Oh well. You know what I'm saying? Because when it's like the shitter daily, it's like, it is what it is. I gotta get another one of those. No cap. Hopefully I can find something like that too. That'd be legit. Either a Civic or something like that, because then I can put like everything I'm gonna do, you know, to this car and the Shelby GT350 in that truck. Oh man, it'd be perfect. I need to find something like that, and if I can't, I'll get like a Civic, but I need to find something like that. I know they're available. You just kind of have to go like way down south. So I drove like an hour to get that truck, and that was back when I lived like towards Sugarland. So I was really going down south to pick it up, but that's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That dude pulled up on the wrong 2024 Mustang GT. We got some car meets this weekend we're gonna go hit up. So if you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, y'all. Peace.